Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the Active Headrest, also known as Headrest Solenoid fuses relays on Jeep Grand Cherokee, that generation here, guys. This is practically part of your airbag system. You have a solenoid that activates the headrest if you're in a crash. So consider this video, guys, for entertaining purposes only. This is not a how-to video. If you even check a fuse related to the airbag system, you have to be qualified and certified to work on airbag system checking fuses. Otherwise, it can cause the system to malfunction, which can cause injuries or death as well. Quick reminder for any of you that are qualified to work on airbag system, certified, qualified to work, guys, you need to disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour, and you need to know which battery terminal to disconnect, reconnect first. That way you do not burn modules and computers. We'll have video about that on the channel. Check it out. Again, this video is for entertaining purposes only. By the way, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we will, guys, share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmission codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these free videos. By the way, guys, if you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee with a V6 3.6 engine, guys, we'll have video on that engine, replacing, taking it completely apart, replacing almost any component you can think of, transmission as well. Why we do that? To save you money. Check it out. All this video will be on the channel, guys. In addition, on our YouTube channels, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The Active Headrest, known as Headrest Solenoid fuses relays, come to show where we have them on that Jeep Grand Cherokee. Again, this video is for entertaining purposes only. Do not check any fuses if you're not qualified and certified to do that. You have two different types of fuse boxes depending on the year model. We'll explain about both. First, we need to open the hood facing the engine. On the left side of your Jeep Grand Cherokee, you have a fuse box here, guys. Open the cover. Underneath you will find a fuse box with a layout like this one for year model 2014 to 2022, and this is 2011 to 2013. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time, and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. For 2011 to 2013 year model Jeep Grand Cherokee, guys, the fuse that we need to check is fuse known as M3 right here. That's the fuse. If you guys have 2014 to 2022 year model Jeep Grand Cherokee, we need to check another fuse, and that fuse is known as F19. If you have that option, you're going to have that fuse right here. Now, another thing, guys, it could be part of the airbag system. So you may, if you still have problems with it, okay, the airbag fuses control it as well. Now, if you want to see where these fuses are located, we have the video on the channel, but again, consider this video for entertaining purposes only. Do not pull fuses that correspond to the airbag system, because it can cause injuries or death. So hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Our mission is to save as much money as we can. Guys, as you can see, this Jeep Grand Cherokee has all kinds of different fuses, relays, JKs, mini blade fuses, the CB fuses, different kinds of relays as well, depending on the year and model. They may differ, but some of those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. That's why, guys, what we recommend, we always keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the links in the description of the video below. Check it out, where we get most of our tool supplies from as well. We can get fuses, relays, usually at a good price there as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching and see you next time.